She's 19 and her boyfriend is bleeding from a knife wound to the chest. She says it was self-defense. Then the officer runs her name and finds she's already been arrested for attacking this exact same man. Last time he dropped the charges. This time it's all on camera.
Okay, so how do you get the cuts on him?
I actually don't remember.
You don't remember?
No.
Okay.
There's a knife on the table in the pan and everything, so I throw it at him. I didn't think it actually go in him. I just thought it was more of like a self-defense kind of thing, like just go get away. Like how are they fucking going to fucking work if you don't even listen? You're fucking laying down so the blood does come out and it doesn't fucking work. You're doing exactly what you're supposed to not do.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
We got a call for a noise complaint and we can hear you guys talking about blood. So we're here.
I mean, blood is normal, but
Okay, we just need to check on everybody because it's all over your pants.
I mean, yeah, but
Okay, who else is here with
my ex-boyfriend.
you? Okay.
We were in an argument, we were drunk, we're drinking, so
Okay, what was the argument about?
not that I can mostly remember most of it, but most of it was more that he was looking at more like of other females' ass. It wasn't nothing too big, but
Okay.
it obviously turned into something big. But
Okay, so how do you get the cuts on him?
I actually don't remember.
You don't remember?
No.
Okay. I don't believe it.
I don't.
You don't?
No. I'm trying to fix it at the moment. It's just so baffled that I'm trying to fix it rather than be too more worried about it.
Right. Well, it's obviously fresh, so how do you not remember something that fresh?
I'm just so baffled that it's like that I did it.
Did
it
what?
It wasn't something like that I cut him in a way that
With
he
what,
could
though?
bleed like that. I think it was a knife. I'm
Okay.
pretty sure.
What are you doing with a knife in your hand?
It wasn't in my hand. It was just right there. So I was just like, okay, stop. Like, stop.
What were you doing with the knife, though?
I sorry. It was right there. I'm like on the counter.
Right. Okay. So
And
what
I
did you
was just
pick it up and? All right. Well, fire department's coming. What's going on?
Just arguing.
Where's the knife? Okay.
And it's obviously not okay because it turned into something more.
All right. So right now,
I know.
because there's a knife involved, you're in handcuffs.
I know.
Are you injured at all?
No. Not that I know of.
Okay. What do you mean, not that you know of?
I am drunk. I am intoxicated, so I don't know. But I don't think so.
Okay. You can lean against the wall.
Against
Okay.
the wall, this one.
You can face me. What's going on with you guys right now?
Just arguing.
Why?
Because we were drunk at the bar and he wanted to look at some girl's ass. It was very unreasonable, and I know it's not going to fix it, but I know.
All right. Well, just because you're in handcuffs, I have to read you this.
I know.
Doesn't mean that anything's coming from it, but because you're in handcuffs, I do have to read it to you.
I know.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You can understand each of those. Okay. So what bar were you? What's your name? What bar were you guys at?
The one by the mall. It's like graffiti, like
In the mall or like in the plaza in the front?
in the plaza.
Okay. So probably graffiti.
Something weird. He knows it. I don't.
Okay. And you guys started arguing there?
Yes.
Okay. Walk me through that.
We were with another friend and he showed a picture and I was like, okay, is this not okay? And he was like, whatever. And I was just like, okay. And we just started continuing from there.
Okay, what do you mean he showed a picture? Like he was looking at something on Instagram or
Yes.
Facebook or something?
Yes.
Okay, what was it?
It was an ass.
Okay. And that upset you?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not reasonable. I understand. That's why I'm going to jail. Like, I know.
Okay, well, right now I'm just trying to get the story. But because there's a knife involved, for my safety and everybody else here, if there's a knife involved and you say you have
it's not my
a knife,
apartment.
yeah,
I can go to my apartment, but I understand how the law works, so I can't just be let go. So I know.
Right. Well, not yet. Okay.
Like, just get away from me. Because it wasn't, I mean, the knife got involved. Obviously, I'm going to go to jail. I'm going to get in trouble because it was an actual weapon. But when it was going on, it was more like you're putting your arm around me to choke me to make
Okay.
sure, like, he was asking for his key back, which we're moving in together anyway, so it's my apartment.
Okay.
Like, we have emails proving that stuff, but I didn't give him the key back, so he wanted to choke me to make sure he got the key back, which is not okay either way, but I know that I did more intense things.
Okay. Can you lift your head up? Just want to make sure. Do you have any injuries whatsoever?
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you mind if I push your hair to the
No,
side?
go ahead.
Where's the knife at?
It's in the drawer. It should have fresh water on it. Looks like it got washed.
Yeah, that's okay. So I don't know what knife it is.
I
Can you
do.
draw with all the others somewhere?
I think so.
Okay. So you guys are arguing over the key,
Yes.
right? Okay. And you guys, presumably, from what it sounds like, probably going through either just a fight or some sort of possible breakup. He wants his key back. And where does it go from there?
It just goes from there, like, more of like, okay, like, get out. I'm saying no. Because at that point, this is my apartment too. Like, I haven't signed the lease, but this is my apartment too, in my opinion. So I'm like, no, okay. And he's okay. Like, this, you don't have a choice. Like, he like tries to throw me out. He puts his arm around me. He like he tries to throw me out, basically. Doesn't work out because I'm like, get away from me. I push him off of me. I kick him off of me. It doesn't work out. There's a knife on the table because I was making sandwiches earlier, like making cheese and everything. There's a knife on the table in the pan and everything. So I throw it at him. I didn't think it actually go in him. I just thought it was more of like a self-defense kind of thing, like just go get away, like I have it in my hand.
Okay, so you're in the kitchen.
Let's break down the law. In Florida, aggravated battery means causing serious injury or using a deadly weapon during a fight. A steak knife counts as a deadly weapon, and officers on scene say the wound was not deep. That does not matter. Cutting someone with a knife is enough on its own. Now the self-defense claim. To argue self-defense, your story has to hold together. First, she says she threw the knife. Then she says she never threw it, that it was just in her hand. A neighbor's camera told police something different, a witness account of the knife coming down into his chest. When your own story keeps changing, self-defense gets a lot harder to prove.
In the kitchen by the pans where the knife's at. Where is he at this point?
He's in the same place and he walks back and he's like, okay, you cut me, like he's crying and everything.
I'm
He's
saying
like,
before that. Where was he standing when you threw the knife?
so I'm at,
If this is the kitchen, this is the
okay,
island.
so I'm at the point where the kitchen and the island is and everything. He's at the point where like, more of like the door.
To the bedroom?
No, not the bedroom, more like the door in the island. And he's like giving my key and he's like going at me.
Okay.
And I grabbed the knife and I'm like, no.
Did you
And
say anything when you threw it?
I didn't throw it.
You just told me you threw it. You said you threw
No,
it out and you didn't think it
I
stuck.
didn't throw it. I didn't throw it. I held it in my hand. I was just like, more like a self-defense thing. I was just like, no.
Okay.
So I didn't throw it, no.
What pictures you want to keep it?
No, it needs to go with us. Should be one of the gray ones, I thought. One of the gray
This
ones.
one's got fresh blood all over it.
Okay. Was it that knife or was it one of the gray ones?
I really don't know. The fact that it has fresh blood on it, it's probably that one, so.
Okay.
Yeah, driver's license.
Okay. So, what you told me just a second ago was the knife was sitting in the pan, he was by the door, and you threw it and you didn't think it would
No,
stick.
no, I didn't throw it. No, I
Okay,
didn't.
so you didn't throw it.
No, there's no
Okay.
throwing. He's close enough to me the entire time.
Okay.
Even afterwards, he's close enough to me, so.
Okay.
So I do that, and then like I like pick it up, and I'm like no, and then it goes like wherever it went, like in this area, and then I noticed that so I'm just like no, stop, like I need to fix this, like I need to fix this, I need to see what's going on, I need to know if I need to call the ambulance or if it's something different. So we're sitting here doing this whole time, he's like telling me not to help, nothing, like not to even call the ambulance. I'm like no, I need to know what's going on, because I realized.
How did the injury happen on his head?
The head injury was actually a lot earlier than that. It was more like he's choking me out and I bit his head because he was choking me out at the same time. So I just bit his head at the time to get him off of me.
Walk me through how you bit the top of somebody's head if they're choking you out.
So he's choking me out and he's not well, I mean technically he is, technically he's it. So he's choking me out and he's on like below me, like right here.
Okay. Okay, so how did it start when you guys got home? Like what was said that sparked the argument? Like Like, what did you say that?
I don't really remember too well, but when we got my notes, I was just like, okay, so
Is there mail coming?
legally it goes to there.
Okay, cool. That settles that for me.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys get here, something, you're not sure what, sparks the argument to kind of flare back up
he
when you
okay?
guys get here. Well, we're gonna have the fire department check him out. Right now, he looks like it's some pretty good cuts, but we're gonna check him out.
Well, I mean, it's one, but yeah.
Well, he's also got the one on the top of his head.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Okay. So you guys get back here, something, starts the argument back up of something to the effect of you saying you're gonna sit there like this is normal, and then things kind of flare back up. Okay, where are you guys at that point?
At that point, we were just sitting there arguing back and forth.
Bedroom, kitchen, living room?
At that point, we were probably like more like kitchen, like bedroom, and like bathroom, like how they're right next to each other, just like back and forth.
And what is he saying back to what you're saying? And if you don't remember, you can kind of paraphrase, or if you don't remember at all, you can
I
say
don't
it as
remember
well.
exactly, but I know it's more defensive than anything, because it's usually how it goes, but it isn't necessarily mean I was right, so.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna grab a little bit of information from you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get arrested.
Or you're detained right now, so you're not
Well,
necessarily
I know when you get
arrested.
arrested, it's mandatory for cops to arrest somebody for domestic violence. I know that, so I just want to know if it's taking so long.
What,
And
yeah, we
not
gotta,
being loyal.
right. Okay.
But I mean, that's not still the same thing, but it's still gonna cause my shit, so.
Right. How old are you?
19.
19? And you've attacked this guy twice already?
I haven't decked him. This is actually the first time I've ever hurt him, but.
Did you say you stabbed him last time, didn't you?
No, last time, no, I did not, no.
Oh, my apologies. What happened last time?
Last time it was just a little fight.
Oh, like a fist fight or just a verbal fight?
It was, I mean, things.
Then there's the arrest itself. Florida law makes domestic violence cases different. Once an officer has probable cause that domestic violence happened, state policy pushes hard toward an arrest. And once someone is arrested, they are held in custody until they see a judge. That is exactly what the officer on scene means when he says it is mandatory. And the rights readings. Before real questioning starts, police have to read you your rights, made famous by the case Miranda versus Arizona. Officers did that here. She was read her rights and kept talking anyway, including admitting this was not the first time she had been arrested for hurting the same boyfriend.
I mean, they say it was a fist fight, it was more of a verbal fight, but
But you got arrested?
yes.
And for what reason?
Domestic violence, that's it.
I mean, there's gotta be more to it.
No, really was not.
You didn't put your hands on him? or
I
anything?
put my hands on him, but it was not like an actual like fist fight. It was more like move away from me kind
Okay.
of thing. But they still considered it, so
Do you work?
I do.
Where at?
Right down the road in Compass House.
What do you do there?
I'm at Records.
Records? Okay. How long you been there?
I've been there for over a year, but with that specific position was probably about like 4 months.
4 months? Okay.
So with domestic violence, you guys have to arrest somebody, right?
It all depends on their circumstances. But
So
for the
there's
most
no
part,
way. So there's no way I can be let off and just go to my apartment. That's it.
state of Florida says no. It's a big no-no. However, we still have an investigation that we gotta do. So, until
What do I have to pee?
how bad do you have to go?
Pretty bad.
Well, we'll figure that here in a second.
How long till hearing for next morning?
I cannot answer that to you. It could be quick due to COVID and all that good jazz. There's nothing in your purse that shouldn't be in there, is there?
I don't think so.
Alright.
No.
But it's up there.
Yeah, we got her.
Okay.
Yeah, she stabbed him.
Yeah, I see
Straight
that,
up,
bro.
like, he has a dog camera in there.
Oh,
They
shit.
show me the dog camera.
Yeah.
And she literally just, he's like, give me the keys, like, apology or give me the keys.
Yeah.
Right? And just one or the other. He's like, I don't want to, like, not trying to.
Right.
And she goes, well, I'll just call him for it. Dude, she literally just goes, grabs it, comes out, all ears. Ah! He, like, screams. He's
Did she like stab him?
she looks, it looks like she just grabs a knife and just comes down and just
Oh,
boom.
in the chest?
She hit him right here in the chest.
How deep is
And
it?
not super deep, but it was like a steak knife. So he hit him with the edge, the tip of it, and he was just like, because she just got arrested for the same thing in December.
Really? With
Same
him?
thing. Yeah, she
Stabbed
slipped.
him?
She was trying to. But
Mars
she,
and Tiffany and Labor Day weekend. That's something that when you get there, you can ask them to be able to tell you.
Seminole County, Orange County.
Seminole County?
Is there any possible way you can take me to Orange?
What's that?
Is there any possible way you can take me to Orange?
No, that'd be illegal.
This is a crime circus presentation.
Why you want to go to Orange County?
Somebody I haven't seen in a while.
Is that the jail that you want to go see?
No, just somebody I haven't seen in a while.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Surrey. Hey, Surrey. I'm asking what I'm going down for. That's what it is.
Aggravated battery?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you going to jail for?
Can't get out of it though.
Say what?
I said I can't get out though. He's still drinking over there with her right now, so.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh, last time I checked, he's at the hospital now, so.
Yeah, can't come back and do the same shit.
Yeah, that's all.
How's that gonna take?
I don't know. I can't speak for them. What's up? She fucking threw up all over the back of my car.
So how did everyone do? The officers earn a B+. They checked the wound, read her rights on time, and kept the questioning calm the whole way to the car. The suspect earns an F. She's 19 years old, already facing her second arrest for hurting the same boyfriend. And her own story about the knife could not stay straight for 5 minutes. Lesson learned. Florida treats domestic violence as mandatory, not optional, once there is probable cause. And self-defense is not just a phrase you say afterward. It has to match the injury, match the witnesses, and match your own story from the first word to the last.